Actually, ladies and gentlemen, while we're at it, I want to introduce this whole band to you, if you don't mind. Can we do that? Ladies and gentlemen, right here on the piano is a guy that I've been playing music with for the past 17 years. From Nashville, Tennessee, Mr. Babyok. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the finest Elvis Presley bass player that I've ever heard in my life. Comes all the way from St. Louis, Missouri. Let's hear it for Mr. Steve LaRico. Ladies and gentlemen, a guy who plays everything note for note, lick for lick on the guitar. He's been doing this many, many years, and I've been working with this guy for many, many years. From Chicago, Illinois, Mr. Tom Madden. And ladies and gentlemen, right here is a lady who's probably one of the best high voice singers I've ever heard in my life. From Chicago, Illinois, Mechele Crenshaw. And ladies and gentlemen, a phenomenal talent, singer. Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Muscle Shoals, Alabama. Let's hear for Mechele Bradford. But certainly not least, is the guy who put this whole band together, and is one of my great friends in this world. From Chicago, Illinois, the one, the only, Mr. Cheryl Crenshaw. Ladies and gentlemen, keep it going for the EAS Band. Come on, let them hear it, please.